Ever wondered how a common sports supplement could transform your brain power? Creatine, widely known for boosting physical performance, also has intriguing effects on cognitive function. Beyond its muscle-building benefits, creatine enhances brain energy by increasing ATP levels, leading to improved memory, focus, and mental clarity. As research delves deeper into its neurological impacts, it's becoming clear that creatine might offer more than just athletic advantages. It can be a game-changer for cognitive health and performance. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 10. Cognitive benefits in sleep deprivation. Creatine supplementation can offer notable cognitive benefits during sleep deprivation by helping to maintain mental performance and reduce fatigue. Sleep deprivation often impairs cognitive functions such as attention, memory, and decision-making. Creatine supports brain energy metabolism by increasing ATP levels, which can help mitigate some of these impairments. Research suggests that creatine can enhance cognitive functions and reduce feelings of mental fatigue even when sleep is limited. This effect is particularly useful in situations requiring sustained mental effort and alertness despite insufficient rest. By bolstering brain energy reserves, creatine helps to preserve cognitive performance and improve overall mental resilience in sleep-deprived individuals. This makes it a potentially valuable supplement for those facing extended periods of wakefulness or stressful cognitive tasks. Number 9. Potential cognitive benefits in older adults. Creatine supplementation holds potential cognitive benefits for older adults, particularly as they experience age-related declines in brain function. Aging can lead to reduced brain energy metabolism, impacting memory, processing speed, and overall cognitive performance. Creatine helps by increasing ATP levels in the brain, thereby supporting energy production and enhancing cognitive function. Studies suggest that creatine can improve memory, attention, and mental fatigue in older populations. Additionally, it may aid in maintaining cognitive function and delaying the onset of age-related cognitive decline. By supporting brain energy and plasticity, creatine offers a promising approach to promoting cognitive health and quality of life in older adults. This potential is especially valuable in combating the challenges associated with aging and preserving mental acuity. Number 8. Improved mood. Creatine supplementation may have a positive impact on mood and emotional well-being, potentially offering benefits for individuals experiencing mood disorders or general mood instability. Research suggests that creatine can help stabilize mood, possibly due to its role in enhancing brain energy metabolism and reducing oxidative stress. Increased ATP levels in the brain may improve overall mental function, contributing to a more balanced emotional state. Some studies have indicated that creatine might have antidepressant-like effects, especially when used alongside traditional treatments for depression. By supporting neurochemical balance and reducing fatigue, creatine may help alleviate symptoms of mood disturbances and enhance overall mood stability. This effect can be particularly beneficial for individuals with major depressive disorder or those experiencing mood swings. While more research is needed to fully understand the extent of these mood-enhancing effects, creatine presents a promising avenue for improving emotional well-being. Number 7. Enhanced brain plasticity. Creatine supplementation may play a significant role in enhancing brain plasticity, which is the brain's ability to adapt, reorganize, and form new neural connections. Brain plasticity is crucial for learning, memory, and recovery from brain injuries. By increasing ATP, adenosine triphosphate, levels, creatine supports the energy demands of neurons involved in these processes. This increased energy availability helps to maintain and strengthen neural networks, facilitating more effective cognitive adaptation and learning. Enhanced brain plasticity can lead to improved cognitive functions, such as better memory retention and faster learning of new skills. For older adults, improved plasticity can counteract age-related cognitive decline by supporting ongoing neural adaptation and cognitive flexibility. Research also suggests that creatine may help mitigate the effects of neurodegenerative diseases by supporting neuronal health and function. Overall, by bolstering brain energy metabolism, creatine enhances the brain's ability to adapt and reorganize, offering promising benefits for cognitive resilience and mental agility. Number 6. Support in depression. Creatine supplementation may offer supportive benefits for individuals with depression, potentially enhancing the efficacy of traditional antidepressant treatments. Research indicates that creatine can have antidepressant-like effects, possibly due to its role in boosting brain energy metabolism and reducing oxidative stress. By increasing ATP levels in the brain, creatine helps support neural function and stability, which can be beneficial for mood regulation. Some studies have shown that creatine supplementation can improve symptoms of major depressive disorder, particularly in individuals who do not fully respond to conventional therapies. This effect may be linked to creatine's ability to support neurotransmitter function and neuroplasticity. While creatine is not a replacement for standard antidepressant medications, its potential to augment treatment outcomes makes it a valuable area of research. Continued studies are necessary to better understand its role and optimize its use in managing depression. Number 5. Reduced mental fatigue. Creatine supplementation can significantly reduce mental fatigue by enhancing brain energy metabolism and improving cognitive endurance. During periods of extended mental effort or stress, brain cells often experience depleted ATP levels, leading to decreased cognitive performance and increased feelings of fatigue. Creatine helps counteract this by increasing ATP availability, which supports sustained mental activity and reduces feelings of tiredness. Studies suggest that creatine can improve performance on tasks requiring high cognitive demand and maintain focus even in challenging conditions. This effect is particularly beneficial for individuals facing prolonged periods of cognitive strain, such as students or professionals. By bolstering brain energy reserves, creatine enhances overall mental resilience and helps combat the cognitive impairments associated with fatigue. Regular supplementation may lead to better mental clarity and reduce exhaustion during demanding tasks. Number 4. Neuroprotection. Creatine supplementation may offer neuroprotective benefits by supporting brain cell health and reducing damage from oxidative stress. Neuroprotection is crucial in preventing or mitigating neurodegenerative diseases and brain injuries. Creatine enhances the brain's ability to produce ATP, providing critical energy needed for maintaining cell function and integrity. This increased energy availability helps to counteract the cellular damage caused by oxidative stress and inflammation. Research indicates that creatine can protect against neurotoxins and promote neuronal survival in various models of neurological conditions. Additionally, creatine's role in maintaining cellular energy levels can aid in recovery from brain injuries and support overall cognitive health. While its effectiveness in clinical settings continues to be studied, creatine's potential neuroprotective properties highlight its importance in safeguarding brain health and function. Number 3. Increased brain energy. Creatine supplementation leads to increased brain energy by boosting the availability of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, the primary energy currency of cells. This enhancement supports optimal brain function, as ATP is crucial for various cognitive processes including thinking, memory, and focus. By increasing ATP levels, creatine helps improve mental performance and reduce fatigue, especially during periods of intense cognitive activity or stress. Enhanced brain energy can also aid in faster mental recovery and improved endurance for cognitive tasks. This effect is particularly beneficial for individuals facing high demands on their cognitive resources, such as students or professionals. Additionally, the increased energy availability supports overall brain health, potentially aiding in the prevention of cognitive decline. Research continues to explore the full extent of these benefits, but creatine's role in boosting brain energy demonstrates its potential for enhancing mental performance and resilience. Number 2. Improved working memory. Creatine supplementation has been shown to improve working memory, which is the cognitive system responsible for temporarily holding and manipulating information. By increasing ATP levels in the brain, creatine enhances the energy available for neural processes involved in maintaining and processing information. This boost in brain energy supports more efficient cognitive functioning, allowing for better performance on tasks that require active memory use. Research indicates that individuals taking creatine may experience improvements in tasks involving complex problem-solving and short-term memory recall. Enhanced working memory can be particularly beneficial for tasks that require multitasking or rapid information processing. The effects of creatine on working memory highlight its potential to support cognitive function in both everyday activities and demanding mental tasks. Continued research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms and optimize its use for cognitive enhancement. Number 1. Enhance cognitive performance. Creatine supplementation is known to enhance cognitive performance by increasing brain energy levels through elevated ATP production. This boost in energy supports various cognitive functions, including attention, problem-solving, and overall mental clarity. Enhanced ATP availability helps the brain manage complex tasks and improve reaction times, making it easier to handle demanding cognitive challenges. Research shows that creatine can improve performance on tasks that require short-term memory and quick thinking. The cognitive benefits are particularly evident in high-stress or sleep-deprived conditions, where brain energy reserves are crucial. By supporting optimal brain function, creatine also helps in maintaining focus and reducing mental fatigue. These improvements in cognitive performance underscore creatine's potential to enhance mental efficiency and overall cognitive health. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.